It was a normal day for young Jimmy. He was watching his favorite YouTube channel, Mr. Diction. Until it happened. He felt a sneeze start to build up in his body. He knew it was coming. He had no choice. He began to freak out and ran off. Please. Hello?
Hello! Thank you for answering. Hello? Hello, it's me.
Dude, it's like 3 in the morning. What do you want?
Yeah, I know it's late, but I need help. It's coming. I know it's coming. How should I take care of it? I mean, I have a lot of options here. I just don't want to have to go through with this. I like living.
What's coming? What's going on? What happened?
I was just on YouTube and it came for me and I'm scared. Please help.
Okay, but what's coming?
What do you mean, what? It's a sneeze, what else? A freaking sneeze. I can't go on any longer. It's gonna get the best. It's okay. I have a gun and they'll take care of me.
Do not shoot yourself, dude.
I'm gonna miss you, buddy. But I can't continue on knowing what's gonna happen.
It's just a sneeze, dude. You'll be fine after, like, it'll pass in like half a second.
I have no choice. It's coming soon. I have to do it. I have to. I can't go on.
Hello? You there?
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet.
Hello?
Hello?
I'm okay. I can't believe I survived. Thank you so much. Thank you for guiding me through that. I almost lost my life.
You've got to be kidding.
I know it's real late and all. I know you probably want to get back to bed, but do you want to go like get some pizza or something? We can celebrate the fact that I'm still alive.
Fucking dumbass.
Hello? Hello? I better go over there. He might have sneezed. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more. See ya.